Hi everyone, let's unbox this. It's quite big today. So this one will be the Tomaz Heritage watch. This is a Malaysian brand. So let's go and continue with the unboxing. Okay, there is a bit of luxury in this watch. First thing that we are being presented is the, what is this? Tomaz Heritage card. Terima kasih, or in English that will be thank you. So this is to say that sebagai tanda penghargaan kami memberikan kad lifetime VIP membership, and sebagai ganjaran nikmati diskaun sehingga 10% untuk setiap pembelian di mana-mana cawangan Tomaz dengan menunjukkan kad ini. So this is a thank you card from Tomaz. Then by purchasing this watch, you become a lifetime VIP member, and you are eligible for 10% for your next purchase of any Tomaz brand in any of their shops. So this is the card. Okay, so go to the next one. Right, so I think there's a little bit of luxury here. This is Tomaz Heritage, and it looks like leather, feel like leather. Okay, and there's a sponge over here. And look at that, some sort of very luxurious locking device. Okay, so now we are presented with this luxurious looking box from Tomaz, and okay, here the order ID and date of purchase. Right, now going back to, okay, there's nothing here, none. So there's the watch with this rather cheap looking bubble wrap. Okay, so that's the watch. I just take it off from the, what do you call this, and then we keep the luxury box away, and now we are presented with the watch. So this is the Tomaz Romeo Heritage 25 TW025-D16 watch, a very long name, and it is with rose gold, black and yellow dial, and you can see the Tomaz Heritage logo on top. Okay, so a little bit about the history of the Tomaz Malaysian brand. So this will be my first Malaysian brand watch that I purchased. The Tomaz company produce various products, including shoes, watches, bags and furniture, and including gaming chairs. And for the watches, they quite expensive. This one costs about 1,000 Malaysian ringgit, which is equivalent to about 214 USD, which is a little bit pricey. And of course, all watches that they designed, Tomaz, is actually with genuine Italian leather. So this will be genuine leather. Look, there is genuine leather and genuine Italian leather. Look at that, and we remove the, okay, what do you call that, plastic protective. So this is stainless steel, the buckle is stainless steel, and there is the brand Tomaz. Okay, apart from that, the glass of crystal is actually sapphire glass. Crystal is sapphire glass, and it is stated here as Swarovski. I don't know how to pronounce that. Swarovski crystal. So this one is really tough crystal. And okay, by looking at the dial, so it's an interesting dial because there are three colors. Rose gold for the sub dial on the left over here, and we have the other one is the two yellow sub dials and the black dials in the middle. And of course you can see the date window will be between the 4 and 5 o'clock over there. Okay, the case itself, the case is made of stainless steel. It is stated here that it is made of 316L stainless steel, including the crown. And the crown is also with the Tomaz logo, T. At the back we have the, you stated here that the stainless steel 316L, and the caseback is also stainless steel, and sapphire glass and water resistance for 50 meters. And Japan movement. So the movement here is actually the VD53 movement. It is a quartz chronograph, and it is manufactured by Hattori, which is also known as Seiko Instrument Incorporated from Japan. And most of the movement are widely used in watches like Invicta, Pro Diver, and Speedway. The movement is popular choice actually for its reliability and functionality. Okay, so regarding the size of the case, it's quite big. The diameter from here to here is 46 millimeter, and lug to lug about 55 millimeter. From here to here it's about 55 millimeter, and the lug size is about 22 millimeter from here to here. Let's just take off the plastic protector of the crown, and then we push it in, and now we can see that the movement is ticking. You can see there are 3 subdials over there, so I'm sure the first one is for the 24 hours, the other one is actually for the chronograph. Well, I will have another video for this, for describing all the function of the subdials. Okay, and you have the crown, and there are 2 buttons over here. So this is my first Malaysian brand luxury style watch with sapphire crystal. All of my watches are actually either Harley crystal from Seiko or the ordinary glass from Casio. So this is the first one that I have, sapphire crystal. You can see there is the branding heritage on the case with the sign crown, the sign crown T there for Tomaz. It's quite beautiful, and there is a touch of luxury in the watch. So this is a 46 millimeter case, so I don't know how it's look on my 6.5 inch wrist. Just try it. 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. But of course you can see that it's a little bit, it's big. This is a 46 millimeter on a 6.5 inch wrist, so actually it's look big. Okay, and again, to tell you the truth, I have a little bit of trouble putting in the buckle just now, because it seems that the leather here is a bit tough. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one. Bye.